This is Peter. I'm gonna show you how to register these two customers' orders using the software. I'm already logged in. I checked over here. We have Mark, Dana, and Tammy B. Well, I understand that you're charging for the entire string. So T1 Fire and T1 Ghost, mains and crosses, 25. So I'm gonna set them as half sets. And then you see how it works. Okay, so first let me go to the catalog, catalog products. Let's see if you have the Firewire, right? So Firewire. Let's see. We don't, so we have to add a new product. I don't think I have this brand, so brands, and it's called add a new brand, T1, save. Then we go to categories, strings, and I say that T1 is part of the strings, save. Now we can do it. So products, strings, new product is a string brand T1 and it's called Firewire. I guess it's polyester, I'm not so sure about it. Not so sure about the color. Half a set. Add a product variation. So I'm gonna say you have it in stock. I don't know, a reel. So it's about at least 16 full string jobs. So it's about 32 half sets, and you're charging $12.50. Save. And I'll do the ghost wire. Let me check here, T1 Firewire, what is it? T1, oh, it's a monofilament, okay, monofilament. The other one is ghost wire, polyester, and the other one is Triumph. T1 Triumph. String. Multifilament. All right, so new product. It's strings. T1 ghost wire. It's polyester. Looks like it's white. Half a set. Add the product variation. 32 half sets. Save back to list. And the other one is the Triumph. Takes a little bit to load a lot of products. The Triumph Firewire is black. This one, it looks like natural. Anyway, add new product. Strings. T1 Triumph. This is multifilament, right? Is it multifilament? Natural. Half a set. Product variation. You have about 32, and it's 15 each, half a set. All right, that's it. Now I go to the orders. Oh, I'm gonna change later on Firewire to monofilament and black color, right? Okay, so you go to orders, you click new order. Now you set the customer here, set customer, and of course you don't have a new customer, so add a new customer. It's male, Mark, Dana, save. Now you just look for Dana. Where's Dana? Mark Dana, save. And we go to services, right here, service, add a new service. So it's a Wilson Blade 98. We can do either through here or through here. So the first one, I'm gonna go through this one, and the other customer, Tammy B, I'm gonna do through here. So config service, and it's a Blade 98. Blade 98, I guess is, I don't know, 18 by 20. 18 by 20. Standard size L3. And now you're gonna charge, because you have this string in your invoice, in your catalog. So you're gonna charge it, and then you're gonna write T1 Firewire here, and color standard, size is half a set, tension is 48 pounds. So if it would be the same on the crosses, you just press this purple one, and it does exactly the same, okay? But this one is a different one, so it's called a ghost wire, and it's gonna drop down. My internet is a bit slow today. So here it is, white, half a set, and tension 48 pounds, right? So for knots, stringers, it's you. All these other options to charge invoice, you don't need it. So you save it. So it has here Wilson Blade 18 by 20, T1 Fire on the mains, T1 Ghost Wire on the crosses. You can print the label here, print handle. It's gonna pop out a PDF. You can print, send to your printer. So it has all the things here. This QR code is, if you scan it through your mobile phone, and you're gonna log in into the software, and if you scan it, it's gonna change the status from new to start stringing. Then it's gonna be the string job is ready, and then it's delivered. So every time you scan it, it changes the status to the next one, right? So here's the invoice. As you can see, it's already charging the person 25, okay? You can also print the order. It's like A4 size or letter size paper, and then I'm gonna put your logo here if you want. So here's the service, everything that is done, and what you're charging the person, all right? So this one is set. So then you go to orders. You're gonna do Tammy B. So new order. And of course, you don't have Tammy B in your database, so set customer, add a new customer, female, Tammy B, save, and then you look for her here, Tammy B, save, add a service, and then you can do through here. Now I'm gonna do through here. So the racket is the VCore 98, 16 by 19, color standard, size, I don't know, 1/4, save. And then on the mains and crosses is the T1 Triumph. So I click on the strings, mains or crosses, doesn't matter, Triumph, it shows over here. Actually, sorry, you're gonna charge it, invoice, Triumph. So it looks only from your your stock, whatever you have in stock, Triumph, natural, size is half a set, and here is 45 pounds. Save means and apply same setup to process. Yes, save, and it's already here, right? Good to go. Print a handle, put on the racket, and good to go. If you go here on the invoice, it's going to be charging her half a set. Actually, here's two, right? I'm sorry, it's two half a sets. 30, whatever currency you have. Now, if the customer pays, you can do it through either two ways. Either through your customer finance, which is shortcut. So this person has a total invoice of 30 and hasn't paid anything. You can do here add payment, and then you can add 30 here. Oops, sorry. You can add 30, right? It's paid. Choose the type of payment. I'm gonna set it up over here, check, cash, whatever it is. And once you save it, it's going to update paid to 30. All right. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna set up your payment systems. So payments type. Most likely gonna take check, cash, check. I don't know, transfer, gift card if you want to give them gift card, Venmo, PayPal, and I'm gonna put here machine in case you're using the machine to process credit card or debit card. Okay, save. So let's say, for example, if you go to customers and you access Mark Dana, who owes you 25. See, he owes you 25. Here there's a bunch of information about it. We just go to finance and add a payment, and then say, oh, he paid me by Venmo, or he paid me by debit card, right? You choose it here, and then you type whatever amount, paid or due date. Due date means you have a check and it's good for, I don't know, next month. So then the system tracks when it's due this payment, and then it's gonna let you know if the guy paid or not, right? That's pretty much it. So you go to orders, and you can access the order from here. If you click here, you go directly to the service. So for example, you click here, you go directly to the order of Tammy B, and then you're going to access directly the service. If you do load previous service, it's going to show for the next order that you have, it's going to show all the rackets you have strung for her. So all you need to do is just to check, oh, is a restring job. You just check that option and select it, and it fills that out for you automatically, okay? So then you don't have to type it in all over again. So that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, send me a message.